Hey there, curious minds. Ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. What if we could program living cells exactly like we program computers? Welcome to Synthetic Biology. Synthetic biology is the science of redesigning organisms for useful purposes by engineering their DNA. Think of DNA as the ultimate software. Instead of ones and zeros, life uses A, C, T, and G. First, scientists read the code. We use machines to scan and record the exact sequence of an organism's DNA. Next, we write it. Using DNA synthesizers, we can actually print brand new, custom DNA sequences from scratch. We treat DNA like building blocks. We can mix and match standardized genetic parts to build something entirely new. Genetic engineering edits existing genes. Synthetic biology builds entirely new biological systems that don't exist in nature. By inserting our custom DNA, we turn normal bacteria into microscopic, living factories that follow our exact instructions. How do we use it? Medicine. We engineered yeast and bacteria to produce life-saving insulin for people with diabetes. We are also helping the environment. Scientists are programming bacteria to actually eat plastic waste pollution from the ocean. In agriculture, we can design smart crops that naturally resist pests or survive in extremely dry, harsh climates. We can even create biomaterials. Engineered microbes can weave spider silk to make clothing that is stronger than steel. But with great power comes great responsibility. We must carefully design strict safety rules so these creations don't escape. Scientists program kill switches right into the DNA. If the cell leaves the lab, it automatically shuts itself down. Synthetic biology could solve our biggest problems, moving us from an age of machines to an age of biology. Remember, we read DNA, write new instructions with biological blocks, and program cells to save the world. Life is the most powerful technology on Earth. Stay curious, explore the code, and keep growing your brilliance. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.